from Shenzhen, USA. Today I'm gonna explain to you guys different mode for this BM10 because we have some customers, they already bought this machine or they want to buy this machine BM10. So this is the one for tablets and also for cell phone, and they want to ask because we have different mode, and because if they don't see the picture, they don't see the video, they don't know what's the function of each mode. So that's why the reason I want to make this video. Okay, let's start with here. Just come over here, closer. Yeah. So this is the mode for cell phone. Okay, this is the I just want an example. This is the for S6 Edge. Okay, so this is the one for cell phone, and this is the one which is included in this combo. So if you buy this machine, we're gonna give you this one for free. This one, okay, it's included. So this is the this machine, the base, and also with one mode included, and also the vacuum pump. So 4 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So those are included. So, and if you want to make, for example, some of them they have very big quantity. They want to make 2 at the same time. So this is the one for 2 cell phones. So you can laminate 2 screens at the same time. So this one is for 1. This one is double for 2 of them. Let's see. So at the same time you can laminate 2 pieces at the same time. And another one is the last one. So this is the mode which we're using for tablets. So that means if you want to make for tablets, you need to buy this mode, this base mode apart. This one apart, and also the mode. So this is the mode. This is the I guess call it this mat. So those are the different pieces for. This is for orga. This is for glue. This is for glass, and this is for LCD. And also the iPad 6 and iPad Pro, we're using the same mode, the same one. Okay, let's repeat. We have 3 different modes. The one is this one is for cell phone, which is included. We give you for free. And this is the one this is for 2 pieces screen, whatever, at the same time. So this is a double. This is double. If you want to buy this base, this is apart. You have to buy this one apart. And this is for tablet. This is the basis for tablet. Also this one, if you want to make tablets, so this one you have to buy apart. And I think that's all. This one is included, the combo. If you want to buy those 2, which are parts, you have to pay this separately. And if you have any more questions, just talk to our staff, and also you can leave comments on our YouTube channel. And if you like our video, please subscribe our video. And any further questions about the technology, and also about the machine, you can contact any of our staff, and also leave comments on this YouTube channel. And thanks for watching, and have a good day or have a good night. See you next time. Bye.